So as you can tell from the title, this is going to be a video I have never done before. I'm super excited about this video. I am doing a, I guess, initial review. I ordered a wig from Aliexpress and it just came today, and we're gonna go ahead and get it open. I probably should have opened this off camera. But here it goes. It is from Elva wigs on Aliexpress. This is the packaging. This is how it came. The shipping was pretty fast. I ordered it on Friday. Today is Thursday, so that was about four business days, not including the weekend. But let's get it open. So of course we know the wig is inside, but I want to see what else is in there. Oh, it came with an elastic strap. That's good, just in case it's too big. Lashes and a wig cap. And I know I'm looking crazy because I got this wig cap on right now, guys. Please do not judge me. I just had on my other wig, and as soon as the package came, slapped it off. I was like, okay, let me try it on. Also comes with a pamphlet about Elva hair, all the hair they have. Now let's get into the most important part. Comes in this bag, of course, or whatever. I don't smell anything. Okay, here's the hair. I can already tell this looks longer than 18 inches, but I mean, I'm not complaining. Comes in this hairnet. Let's take that off. And here is the wig. Just off first, like glance, it feels like it's tiny. But here's the hair. It does feel very soft. It feels full. Okay, I'm getting excited. Let's look at these ends, because that's true tea. Okay, let's see the ends. Okay, they're not bad at all. They're not bad at all. Not bad at all. The hair does not have a smell. It smells like hair. I'm gonna try to put this on because, like I said, it looks tiny. Okay, let's see. I hope it's not too small because, oh no. Damn, that they fit perfect. It just slapped right on there. Okay, of course the lace is still on the front. Cause, okay, hold on, girl. I don't even have my mirror in front of me. I don't know what I'm looking like. I'm probably looking crazy, but this is her. Okay, honey, let's see. Like I said, I think it is longer than 18 inches because this don't feel like no 18. This, y'all, look how long this is. It's going all the way down here to my stomach, and I'm 5'6", full lace wig. I have another wig, like I just said, I slapped off, but I made that myself with a closure. So I'm super excited, and keep watching. Okay, so as you guys can see here, I am bleaching the knots. The bleach and developer is just what I could find here in Spain. It is a blue powder bleach and 30 volume developer. I made it pretty thick because that's what they say to do. And I started putting it on the lace, starting with the back, just in case it starts to develop quickly. It will be more processed in the back than in the front, where I actually have to part the hair. And I left that bleach on for about, for 20 minutes to be exact. I left it on for 15, checked it, didn't think it was quite done, left it on for 5 more minutes, then rinsed it. This is what the lace looked like after rinsing off the bleach and shampooing. I think it turned out really good. It looks more skin-like. Unfortunately, some of the bleach did get on the hair, more towards the back, because that's where I put it on first, which I was glad it wasn't in the front, but it looks really good to me. I think it came out nice, and yeah. After that, I did go ahead and deep condition the hair using the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle. Okay, so here I am. Here's the hair. here's the hair that I got from Elva wigs after this is what it looks like after I bleached the knots. And I washed it, conditioned it, flat ironed it, and still have to say the hair is still super soft. So soft. It flat irons like beautifully. Come on. I mean, flat iron's amazing. This wasn't even an expensive flat iron, okay? This was a cheap $25 flat iron, and the hair still looks bomb.com. Now, this is my first like lace wig. I'm looking over here, there's my mirror, but this is my first like lace wig, and so I wasn't really sure how to do the baby hairs. I don't even know how to do my real baby hairs, so you know, we're just experimenting. This hair is not glued down. I just used the one clip in the back to secure it for now because I want to do the glue install and I have the got-to-be and stuff, but we'll see. Here is, let's get a close-up what the scalp looks like after the scalp what the lace looks like after I bleached it. It looks really pretty good to me. This is my second time bleaching knots, so I wasn't like new to it, but I'm still not an expert. Some bleach did get on the hair, I'm sure you could see. But overall, the hair is great. Like, this is great hair, super soft, amazing. Like, and I ordered this in an 18-inch, like I said, and there's just no way that this is 18 inches. I mean, I don't know. Maybe it is, and I just don't know what 18 inches look like. But this feels long. It looks longer than 18 inches to me. Like I said, I'm 5'6", so I didn't know 18 inches was gonna go to my stomach, and then in the back, dang near to my butt. 18 inches. I don't know about that, but I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining. Nothing wrong with some extra inches. You already know I did order this hair from Aliexpress with Elva Hair Wigs Company. I got it, it was on sale, so I got it on Black Friday, and I'm in Spain right now, so I paid in euros. I paid 115 euros for this hair, and I will say it was definitely worth the money. I have not got any shedding from this hair, but to be fair, I did just install this hair. I received this hair on Thursday. Today is Sunday. When I washed it, conditioned it, and bleached knots and everything, I just didn't get any shedding from that. So this hair has not started shedding yet. Hopefully it will not. It was super soft. Like, even as I was washing it, I could just feel how soft the hair was. And the shipping was super fast. I ordered it on Friday, which was Black Friday. Then it got to me on Thursday. So it took, like I said in the earlier part, 4 business days. Communication was great. Overall, I'm super satisfied with this hair. I am going to keep playing with it and getting better with it and working on these baby hairs, because as I said, I am new to this, not true to this. And yeah, this is what it looks like. Super satisfied, and I love it. I love it. Let me know if you guys like it, if you would like to see my video doing a full install with like gluing it down and everything. Let me know in the comments below if you would like to see that. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.